In Spacebring, company profiles are designed for teams, startups, or corporate clients who need shared access and streamlined billing. Think of a company as a parent entity that allows you to group multiple members together. To start, head to the Customers page and select Create Company. Enter the company name. Optionally, upload a company logo or add their website. Toggle the Auto Approve New Members switch to automatically approve new company members when they are invited by their company managers. If you prefer to have greater control over who becomes your member, turn the switch off. Then, you'll manage all invitation requests to this company manually. Press Create. If you're migrating from a different software and already have your company's data, skip the manual entry for each company and use the Create Multiple Companies tool. All you need is a simple spreadsheet with 2 columns, the company name and the plan ID, to automatically create subscriptions for them. You can find any plan ID by going to the Plans page and copying the public link. The unique code at the end of that URL is what the system needs. Simply copy your data from the spreadsheet and paste it into the mass invitation window. Set the subscription start and end dates. If the company doesn't have any subscription yet, leave these columns blank. Press Create Companies and the system will instantly build the profiles with the right subscriptions. To manage corporate customers effectively, you need to understand the 2 distinct roles within a company profile: company members and company managers. Think of a company member as a standard user. Depending on the settings, they can share the company's credits, day passes, and benefit from subscription discounts. A company manager, on the other hand, is responsible for the company's billing. They can receive and pay company invoices, manage payment methods, billing info. They can also remove company users. The quickest way to group existing users is to open the company profile and click Add to choose from your current list of users. Or click Invite to send an invitation email to someone entirely new. For larger teams, use the Mass Invite tool within the company profile. Copy user data from the spreadsheet and paste it directly into the mass invitation window. This allows you to invite a long list of employees at once, automatically assigning them to the correct company from the start. Assign at least 1 manager to every company to set them up for receiving your invoices. Both members and managers access company details directly through their membership page. Company members can use company discounts and spend the company's credits or day passes. If the team grows, they can invite new colleagues. For company managers, the view is wider. In addition to all member perks, managers can remove departing members, create bookings on behalf of their teammates, and most importantly, managers handle billing. They are the only company users who can view and pay invoices, track the money balance, or access contracts and receipts. They manage corporate payment methods and add the billing details for invoices. For companies that need to loop in an outside accountant or any person who should access company invoices, managers can add a billing email to ensure all invoices and receipts automatically reach the right inbox. If their needs change, they can also view subscription details or request a cancellation. From the Customers page, you can select the Edit option to quickly update the company name, refresh their logo, or toggle the Auto Approve setting if you decide to change how much autonomy their managers have. You can also manage the company the other way by selecting the necessary option from the list. As an administrator, you are the only one who can make someone a company manager. To do this, simply open the company profile, find a member, and select Make Manager. This instantly gives them the billing and team management permissions. If a manager's role changes, you can just as easily select Make Member to return them to a standard user status. If an employee transitions from one startup to another within your space, simply select Move to Company and choose their new organization from the list. Spacebring automatically transfers them, updates their access permissions, and ensures they are now linked to the correct company's billing and benefits. Inside the profile, you also handle the operational side of the relationship. Here, you can create or edit the company's subscription. Additionally, by opening the subscription, you can manage the Add to Subscription Invoices setting. If enabled, all bookings and purchases made with company invoice are added to subscription invoices. If disabled, they remain pending to be invoiced manually. You can adjust the company money balance, top up, or charge credits and day passes. For your internal team and private record keeping, use the Notes and File sections, perfect for attaching staff-only files or memos. The billing is usually set up by the company manager. However, you have control over it as well. You can view and manage the company's payment method. For example, Define which services the company can pay with a company invoice. This consolidates a team's entire spend, from coffee to meeting rooms, into one monthly bill. You can restrict the Pay with Invoice option to managers only, or extend it to all company members for a truly frictionless experience. Below, add the company's billing details if it's not added yet, set an alternative currency if necessary. You can also monitor billing history through the Contracts, Invoices, or Transactions pages, or check the activities log for a full audit trail of every administrative change. In Spacebring, you have several ways to handle the company's departure. You can select Remove to move the company profile to the non-members list, but keep the individual members active in your database. This is ideal if employees are staying in the space as individuals or moving to different companies. However, if the entire team is leaving, choose Remove with Members. This instantly moves the organization and all its linked users to the non-members list in one step. Once you remove a company, the system automatically deactivates their recurring subscription and stops future billing. But don't worry about losing your data. Spacebring preserves the full history of their credits, payments, and invoices. You also keep their default payment method on file, in case you need to settle any final outstanding charges. If you ever need to clear your database permanently, you can find these archived profiles on the non-members page. From here, you can choose to restore the company if they return, or select Delete to permanently and irreversibly remove them from your location.